guys, but today we're gonna make you how to make an origami bird that actually flies. First thing you need to do is have a square. If you don't have a square, if you have origami paper, you can use that. But how to make a square? You can do normally A4 paper. Wait a minute. Take ordinary paper and take this part like this. Take this part and just fold it like this, and you squeeze it off and cut this end. If you already done that, yeah. Now how to make the bird. First thing you gotta do is sorry, my voice is not grown up yet. So first thing you're gonna do is make a crease. Fold in half. Fold it like this. Then you're gonna open it up and fold it the same way again. Then you're done. Now you're gonna fold diagonally, like this. Then open and do the same to the side. Now open it up and fold it that you made first. You see these creases that you made are here. Now first you're gonna do this thing, fold it on the line, and it doesn't care if you do it wrong now. So yeah, like do it like this, crease it off, then turn it the other way around and do the same thing like this. Then when you're done, turn like this, do like hold it up there, gently push that part down till you have this this thing like this. You open it, it should look like this. These two fold in like this, and that comes down. Now you're gonna take this part and fold it down like that. Now do every part you can, and that part, fold it again, till you have a crease like this. Now when you're done, open it and take this part up and open it up. It looks like this. Then you take this part and fold it when you made the edges, the creases. Just drag it all the way down till you need this end on the top, and just crease the end off on the top and gently crease back. And do it on the same side. Open it, fold this in, fold it inwards, in, and gently crease it off like so. When you're done, turn the other way around and do the same thing again than you did when you did the same thing on the other side. So open it, take this part up on there and do it exactly the same again as you did last time. Fold it, crease it, and crease it. Do the same thing open, fold in, and fold it back. Now when you're done, take out the piece like so, and the other side the same thing. It doesn't care. You don't need to recognize this part, because they're gonna be work as well. Now take this part and fold it like this. Turn the other side and fold that thing onto there. If you're done, it should look like something like this. Now take this part and fold it up till it matches the line, the line when you made with the points. You fold it up when you see this line, these 2 points. You fold it up and land on there. Turn it over and do the same thing again. Squeeze it off, and there you have the almost finished bird. Now take one end, pull it carefully. If you can, the line there, see the line? Pull it right there, and take this part to fold it in like this. This is gonna be the tail of the bird. Now take this part, the other part, just point it a little bit down, not that much. There is the last one, like a little bit, like that much. Now this part is gonna be the head. Now open this part and just point it down like this till it looks something like this. Now to make the wings, first thing you gotta do is take this part, the wing, and fold it to the right. Then you see the right, then you see. Squeeze it off, turn the other side over, and fold it to the right. Now, carefully open the flap it up, and there you have. Now, there you have a flapping bird. And I hope you guys enjoyed this origami video. And sorry, and upload a long time ago. This happened. I got hacked, and that's why I cannot upload. Please guys forgive me, and we see you in the next video.